For thousands of years, we've stared at these silent monoliths, wondering why they stand in such precise patterns. New geometric analysis reveals these aren't just random monuments. They are a complex GPS system for ancient seasonal migrations. What were these travelers following, and what happens when the stones align with the stars? These stones did not stand still. They calculated. Imagine a family walking across a windswept plain 3,000 years ago, carrying everything they owned. Ahead, three stones rise from a ridge in a perfect triangle. That triangle tells them something precise. The highland pastures are still 2 weeks from opening. The grass below is not ready. Keep moving toward the lowland shelter. The stones are not decoration. They are a survival calculator carved into the earth. Across the British Isles, these triangular alignments repeat with mathematical stubbornness. One peak, one valley, one coastal point. Connect them and you trace the first GPS ever built, a network of stone waypoints guiding nomadic groups between seasonal grounds. No maps in hand, just geometry burned into memory and landscape. Now look closer. The distance between circles measures time itself. Each gap between stones corresponds to the exact lag of a seasonal shift, the melting of a high pass, the drying of a lowland floodplain. When the solstice sun struck a certain angle, it did not merely mark a ceremony. It triggered a countdown. Herds moved, families packed, the architecture stayed, but the map lived and breathed. At dusk, the setting sun caught specific stone faces, turning them into glowing beacons for travelers still on the trail. Walk the old corridors from highland summer grazing to lowland winter shelter, and you will find modern roads sitting directly atop those invisible paths. The geometry never stopped working, we just stopped reading it. Recent surveys are changing that. Hidden platforms and way stations are emerging between the famous circles, proof that this network was engineered for logistics, not mystery. The lines we once called mystical lays look more like optimized supply routes when seen through fresh eyes. So the next time you pass a row of ancient stones, do not see a ruin, see a machine, a vast, quiet engine designed to keep human life in motion, season after season, stone by stone.